Good afternoon, everyone. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Nikola Corporation, a global leader in zero emission transportation. Their job is to make hydrogen. Well, like they're not making hydrogen cars. They're making hydrogen trucks, like the semi trucks, big trucks. They're probably never going to be making hydrogen cars. They also make, like, I think one of those off-road vehicles things, but we'll get more into it. But the main focus right now is to build trucks, semi trucks. They have more than 14,000 orders according to this, with a $10 billion potential revenue in 2.5 years of production if they can manage to do these 14,000 trucks. That's quite a bit. 14,000 on 10 billion. Let me just pull that up. 10 billion divided by 14,000. They are literally getting almost $1 million per truck. That's a lot of money for a truck. For a hydrogen truck. So each truck they almost make $1 million off of one truck. And within 2.5 years, it's about $10 billion. Kind of funny there, because a semi truck doesn't cost $714,000. I'm sure when Elon Musk releases his semi truck, it's gonna cost nowhere near 714,000. And I'm thinking that semi trucks for Tesla cars are Tesla semi trucks are going to be more. It's gonna be a lot cheaper and in higher demand than Nikola's I guess fuel cell trucks. So Tesla's going to be a major competition to these guys. I don't know how much Tesla's going to sell each semi trucks for, but I'm guessing it's going to be less than 714,000 per truck. You know, that's my guess. I don't know for sure. So right now they're not a publicly traded company, but they do have a shell company right now they're going to be merging with. And once they merge with, they will have approximately $3.3 billion valuation. This was made on March 3rd, 2020. I highly doubt this video will do well, but I'm hoping. So a lot of people call them the Tesla of the hydrogen thing. I don't know, because Elon Musk has came out and said that hydrogen cannot be put in cars, or it's very difficult. I've done a lot of research on it because of Plug Power, and there was some hydrogen cars made, but they were never made in mass production. They were more like prototypes that never really came to market. Yeah, there are some hydrogen cars out there. I think Toyota made some hydrogen cars, but ultimately hydrogen cars don't work well. There's not enough infrastructure for hydrogen cars, and it's extremely difficult and expensive to make. And you know, why buy a hydrogen car that probably costs $40,000 to make, or you can just go buy an electric Tesla car. I would just rather buy an electric Tesla car. With the electric Tesla car, at least you're guaranteed for full self-driving, because all Tesla cars made from now on is all capable of self-driving. So that's why I'm saying, why would you go out and buy a hydrogen car when Tesla is making a lot of electric Tesla cars? So, you know, honestly, this is my opinion. I think Nikola long term will fail as a company. Sure, they could make it, but I still think that long term they're going to be a failing company. So I done some research on. So right now, VTIQ is way overbought. So, I mean, if you bought into the stock, you know, I not financial advice, but I definitely think about taking profit. because I do have a short position on it. I bought some put options on it, so I'm hoping I make a pretty penny off that. But you know, I don't know. But right now, if we look at the chart, it's extremely overbought. RSI is at 93. You know, volume is good, but RSI is at 43. 93. It's going to crash eventually. I think it's going to pull back to around 25, maybe even lower. At least that's my opinion. I don't know for sure, but the article was for around March. I believe it was for around March 20th, March 2nd. So the stock was trading around $11 around March 2nd, March 3rd. So they made this shell company just for the purpose of merging with Nikola Motors. It's strange. Why don't they just go public? You know, just a regular way. I think the reason why they cannot go public a regular way and they need a shell company to go public is because they don't generate any revenue at the moment, and if a company doesn't generate revenue, they can't go public. And then another strange thing to me is, why are they going public? Why don't they wait until they have once they actually generate revenue, once they actually make money, then go public? Why do they go public before they even make any single product? To me, it's a little strange, and I'm a little suspicious of that, because it seems like some kind of big money grab, but I could be wrong. I don't know at the end of the day. I definitely do more research on it if you are interested in it as an investment, but for the short term, I would wait until the RSI level is calmed down and is trading between 50 to 60 before you thinking of a Nikola Motor as a long-term investment. In my opinion only, not financial advice. I'm thinking that the stock price is going to go down in the short term. Could be wrong. Like I said, I have a short position on it, and right now, as I'm talking, the stock price is falling. Now let's get on to the investor presentation. So these are the trucks that they are going to be making. They have prototypes, but they're not actually mass producing them right now. If we scroll further, this date was April 2020, so this is a pretty early presentation. If you go to the website, I've checked out all the investor presentations. It all looks the same, but this is the most recent one. This is cash to seller, cash to balance sheet. They have $709 million in cash. That's not bad. Share price $10. Debt $4 million. Enterprise value of $3.3 billion. And then we scroll further down. Basically, okay, so right here, they say that hydrogen is basically as good as diesel. That may be true, but hydrogen is also very, very unstable and could cause an explosion if handled poorly. So, I mean, there could be an accident. What happens if a truck drives down the road and explodes because of the hydrogen fuel cell? That could be a possibility. Not saying it will happen. I just know that hydrogen is a very unstable. And then Elon Musk has said in the past that his battery technology is getting better and better every year it goes by, because he bought up Maxwell Technology, and they are doing heavy research and development on the batteries. So this 1 to 300 miles could be increased dramatically to 500 to 1,000 miles in the future, and then hydrogen would not have anything on Tesla. I still think Tesla is going to destroy Nikola Motors long term. And then I think below here they have some revenue projections. Oh wait, right here. So these are the projections. Right now, they're not making any single money. In 2021, they expect to have produced 600 cars. In 2022, they expect to produce 1,200 trucks. And 2023 is when the mojo has really fully run, and they will be making a lot more. And 2024, a lot more. But these are projections, and sometimes projections never really go your way. Business is not that easy, and they're gonna need to raise a lot of capital in order to really execute this strategy in the future. Could it be worth an investment? I just don't believe in it. I don't believe in it. That's my opinion. Other people may have different opinions, but my opinions, I don't believe in it, and they don't expect to be profitable until 2024. That's a long time to wait for profits, and at the end of the day, you know, if rich people want to pump this stock, they will pump this stock. We'll see what happens, but short term, I think this stock's gonna crash. I do have some put options on it right now, and I'm hoping it crashes. I'm hoping I make out like a bandit. Yes, as I'm making this video, stock is falling and falling. So, good sign for me. So, we'll see what happens. But, yeah. Anyways, I would appreciate a thumbs up for this video. Now, the rest of this video is kind of filler. So, the market today is red. Gold is slightly green. Oil is slightly red. And the rest of the market is down like roughly 2%, which is a regular red day, not like crazy, but 561 points in one day is still quite a bit in my opinion. So Beyond Meat also fell pretty big today, 132.38. It was trading at 145 during the day. I'm so happy I sold out all my call options this morning when the stock price was $140. I made a small little profit, not a huge amount, like 100%. And then the stock price dropped, and then, you know, I'm looking at my options. I'm like, I'm so happy I sold my options, and I bought some more call options when the stock was sitting at $130 something, and now I'm slightly up on those call options. Let's see where this price of the stock goes. I think I think that if it goes back to $100, it's a buying opportunity, and if it goes lower, it's like a no-brainer. For normal investors, rich people, I don't think they really care. They're gonna move the stock around and trade it and try to pump it up or pump it down. But if it goes down, short sellers win. And I don't like to see short sellers win, but, you know, that's the way it is. Short sellers could win this. We'll see. Grubhub, I bought some, and it's just trading sideways all day long. Right now, I am up a little bit on my position. A lot of people were messaging me, "Where's your proof? Where's your proof? Wow, $25,000. I really need to prove $25,000. I mean, I don't mind proving it. It's just it requires an extra step of work, and I'm lazy, and I'm just gonna say it. But, you know, of course, people want proof. People want to know that I have at least $25,000. I have $25,000. It's $25,000. I'm not gonna go out and lie on $25,000, you know. But if you guys want to believe I'm lying, I'm not gonna show it because I don't give a shit at the end of the day. If you don't want to believe me, don't believe me. It's not a big deal in my opinion, and like to me anyway. So Zoom is up $4.48. I made a video when Zoom was around $140. I wish I bought some actual stock. I bought call options, but they became worthless. I mean, I did sell them out, but I sold them out at a loss because they were about to expire, and I was just like, okay, screw it, I'm selling out at a loss. So I sold it out at a loss, and now the stock price is trading at $165. Nordic American Tankers today up 16 cents, starting to look slightly bullish. It's been trading at around $5 for a while now. TK Tankers up today 30 cents. Scorpio Tankers had a really nice day after such a big dump yesterday, up $1.40, 8.14%. American Airlines is down today, $9.09. I think it's going to have a bounce here very soon, but I could be wrong. Just pure speculation on my part. Aurora is down to $638 million. Tasty. Definitely thinking about purchasing maybe some call options. Maybe I don't know. We'll see. Tomorrow is the big day, earnings, but it's going to be after the market close. We'll see what happens. I am very excited for Aurora's earnings. Canopy is down $1.26, 8.53%. That's pretty ugly. Afria is down 7.99%. I think Aurora is making all these other MJ stocks go down. Tilray down 42 cents. Kron down 27 cents, $1.71 billion. Yeah, well, I don't really have too much to say about the market today. The MJ sector seems to be down. We could look at multi-state operators to kill some time. Wow, it's already a 60-minute video. Screw that. I'm leaving now. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.